Alright guys, so this is long overdue, but I figure make a video while I'm on my way to drop these off because this is kind of a big deal since I've been mentioning it on the channel for a long time now. I officially have the new heads, the engine with the MT Motorsports pistons. Got fully built heads with Ferrari valves, Supertech springs. Got the new phasers, which are right here. ARP head studs, and we have also a bunch of other stuff. I'm basically going to drop this off right now. This is basically just to help space it away from the heads. Sorry it's loud. I kind of figured just do a video quick while I'm on my way to transport it as like a little update video. Nothing crazy, just basically showing you guys that I got the heads and the block, so I'm getting ready to go drop it off so I can preferably get the Genesis back a little bit faster. But yeah, so we got everything, guys, so hopefully the Genesis will be joining the channel again very, very soon. If you guys want to know, this actually came out, so just the parts for the head and the block came out to a little over $6,000. But it should be a pretty reliable block. I do plan on making a second block and running a closed deck instead of leaving the open deck. Open deck should be good for about mid 500 wheel horsepower. I do plan on running boost, so I stayed with stock compression ratio. I didn't lower compression at all. It's still going to be the same compression ratio. Just figured, you know, give you guys a quick rundown of what I have here. Bring you guys into the truck. We got the rear main seal. This is the old one. I do have a new one in the back of the Genesis, and then I will be running the Cometic head stud or head gaskets, so that'll be awesome. And then, like I said, I literally just came from the shop, so he gave me the new buckets. I had extra buckets I ordered from Travis from MTM, and then obviously he gave me the old valve springs, retainers, all that good stuff. But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little heads up on my way to drop off the brand new setup for the Genesis. So hopefully the Genesis will be joining the channel again soon. But like always, if you're not already following the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to know more about the build and what I actually used for my 3.8, mine's a 2013 3.8 track, but it should work for at least all the BK2s. I have direct injection, so that does change things a little bit, but not much. For the most part, all this stuff will work for 09 to 16. But besides that, if you want to keep the channel growing, help me share it, or share it for me, please, so we can keep growing the channel a little bit bigger. But besides that, stay tuned because this will be coming back. Alright? Peace, guys.